Welcome to Floral Fantasy, a hidden gem within gardens by the bay. Singapore, this place is more than just flowers. It's an artistic blend of nature, technology, and storytelling. Let's explore this mesmerizing world together. The moment you enter, the temperature drops slightly, and mist surrounds you, creating an ethereal atmosphere. It's designed to make you feel like you've stepped into a fantasy world filled with floating flowers, vibrant colors, and dreamlike scents. The first zone, Dance, lives up to its name. Hundreds of flowers sway gently as if they are moving to a silent rhythm. The combination of natural beauty and clever suspension techniques makes this area truly enchanting. Here, you can find a mesmerizing mix of orchids, begonias, fuchsias, and petunias, creating a vibrant and fragrant atmosphere. Next, we step into a delightful section featuring beloved Disney characters. From Mickey Mouse to Snow White, Toy Story, and Monsters, Inc. This area is a treat for both kids and adults. It feels like stepping into a magical movie scene. Step into the enchanting world of Snow White, where delicate white roses and deep red tulips surround the beloved princess and her woodland friends. Dive into Ariel's underwater realm, where blue hydrangeas and sea lavender create a mystical oceanic feel, accompanied by Sebastian and Flounder. Get a glimpse of Mike and Sully's wacky world, surrounded by vibrant marigolds and neon-hued petunias, adding a touch of fun and mischief. Floral Fantasy is not just for kids, it's a magical escape for adults too. With its breathtaking flower displays, artistic arrangements, and whimsical themes, it lets visitors relive childhood memories and embrace the joy of the moment. Whether you're admiring the stunning blooms or immersing yourself in the enchanting atmosphere, this experience is a treat for all ages. Join Woody, Buzz Lightyear, and the gang amidst a playful setting filled with bright sunflowers and cheerful daisies, bringing the Toy Story magic to life. In Part 2, we'll uncover the final two zones and experience the beauty of this floral wonderland in full. Stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.